Meaning of edition.
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 Edition. Edition refers to a particular version or iteration of a published work, such as a book or magazine. It can also refer to a limited or unique set of items, such as collector's editions or special releases. The term is often used to distinguish different versions of a work based on changes made in subsequent releases, such as updated content or revised formatting. In essence, an edition is a distinct expression of a work that varies from other versions in some way, making it a valuable tool for scholars and collectors alike.